There's hope a new breathalyzer test in Indonesia will be able to detect a coronavirus infection in under 2 minutes. The device is already being trialled in hospitals. It is less accurate than standard swabs, but desperately needed in a country where testing rates are among the lowest in the world. Indonesia correspondent Anne Barker reports.
It looks like a typical roadside breathalyzer, but instead of alcohol, it's testing for COVID-19. The simple device, developed by Indonesian scientists, works like an electronic nose. It can smell coronavirus in the breath and detect an infection in under 2 minutes.
The
sensors can read the different patterns of COVID positive and negative.
A single test can be done in 80 seconds, much faster than the standard PCR test, which can take days for a result. That speed comes at the cost of accuracy. But as infections surge, Indonesia is desperate to stop the spread.
We need screening to be done quickly to prevent people getting infected.
Indonesia has now granted a distribution permit to roll out thousands of breathalyzers in weeks to increase mass testing at hospitals, airports and public places.
In the right place, 10,000 Genos units can test 1.2 million people a day. That is the highest testing rate in the world.
The science, I think, does back it up. The question is how well it can distinguish COVID from other lung infections, for example.
Despite around 740,000 infections so far and 22,000 deaths, Indonesia has one of the lowest testing rates in the world and struggles to meet the WHO's minimum recommendation of 1,000 tests a week for every 1 million people.
Here we're comparing testing that might not be as accurate as the PCR, but it's absolutely better than nothing.
Similar devices are being developed in several countries, including Australia, the UK and Singapore. Anne Barker, ABC News.